Morning! Welcome to We Drive usakaza noSizwe Space. Today it's Friday and ngiyabanda. So, ngibuka le weekend and ngiyabona ukuthi ngathi akuthembisa ukuthi le weather izoshintsha. Ngazothi kuzoba nje weekend yonke. So, wenze njani nge-weekend mayinje? Let's say mhlawumbe unama plans. Khala do invite wekhona. Uyaqhubeka uhonorishe leyo invite. Noma you'll be like, no, not by any chance. I'll tell you what I normally do. Nge weekend ebanda kanje. Oh, flip, I gotta work. Ah! I'll get you on radio tonight alongside DJ Happy Girl. We pre-party from 7 till 10. It happens today and tomorrow as well. Other than that, I know kuna event out 2 week fanele ngwa attend. I'm very, very skeptical about doing that. But okay, so bona man. Kulungile, bye.